Alright guys, here we go. Got ourselves a cool little manicure kit thingy. On this side, it like grinds your nails, and this side cuts your nails. Turn this on. Give you a cool little light. You can see what you're doing. You just put your nail in there. You turn it up a little bit. There we go. Okay. None of that guessing stuff with the clippers. You just get in there, grind it off, and then on this side, turn this side off, turn that side on, and your little grinder. To fine tune your nails. It's got a little catch tray for your clippings. And let me see. They're $8.90 in the shop right now. I don't know what's going on, but they were $50 when I got this one. But they are $8.90. So, yeah. Anyways, get yours in the shop. Here we go.